In this video, I'm going to show you how to add services on Acuity scheduling. Now, the easiest way to do this is simply on your dashboard to go over here on the left where it says appointment types, and you want to click on it. And then from here, you want to go to types and you want to click on the new type of service up top, okay? Then from here, you want to give it a name. I'm just going to name this one sample service like this. And then of course, you can give it a description as well. So you could just type in whatever is relevant. Here you can of course customize. You can show a message after scheduling if you wanna, so you can just type that in. You can also add an image if you want to. Then here you have the duration. I'm gonna change this to 45 minutes. Of course, you could do and you could block off time before or after that appointment if you wanna, like maybe 5 or 10 minutes before and after. Then you have categories. If you've created one, you can add them inside categories. If you haven't, click on create new category, create a new one, and click on save. You can also make it a different color. I'm gonna make this one green. And then of course over here you can change access, how much it's gonna cost. So the payment here we're gonna put like 40. And then here you can also add images. You can add calendars, to which of course it can be booked on. So I'm gonna do select all. And then down here you also have forms and you have different resources. So I'm gonna leave that like it is, and I'm gonna click on create top right. And that's how to basically add services on Acuity scheduling. You can then go and edit these. You can go and view them as client. You can create a new group class, new service, etc. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.